Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today, the market is definitely a disappointing close. The budget is not favorable to stock market. So that is very, very clear. In the morning, the markets went up and Nifty shot up about 100-150 points. The Bank Nifty almost 500 points. The Bank Nifty at some point of time even crossed 50,000 on expectation of something good for the stock market. The only good thing that has happened in budget is that, no tax up to 12 lakh rupees income. I think I've spoken in many other places. There are other things like, 12 lakh, no tax only if your income is less than 12 lakh. Without any capital gain tax. If you have invested some money in stock market, if there is some capital gain, then it is not 12 lakh, it is only 4 lakh rupees. So the details maybe I'll come out with another video. So this is not the time to talk. But definitely everyone was expecting something positive for stock market. Whether it is of a long-term capital gain tax or whether it is a short-term capital gain tax or whether it is of STT, especially FIIs have been continuously selling in our markets and they've sold nearly 4 lakh crores in last 13 months. So in this backdrop, I thought Finance Minister will do definitely something good to revive the sentiment in stock market. So that has not actually happened. In fact, what has happened, I was heavily long expecting, good budget, market will go up. In fact, in some cases, what I did, I sold the put option, used that money to buy the call option, right? Expecting market to go very high. But my luck, yesterday the market went higher. I took most of my trade on January 28. The next 2 days market went up. So I was already in profit. And today there was no loss also because today luckily the India VIX collapsed. I think around 13%. So because of that, put premiums crashed like anything. So sold puts gave very good profit. But the bought calls did not give that much loss. So overall, the profit was okay. But sometimes I always think, number one, we get into SEBI trouble because we are not very clear what we can talk, what we cannot talk. That's one issue. Second issue, for like some purpose, some educational purpose, So if we say something, the people instead of watching this, what sometimes they do, PR Sundar is taking a bullish view, right? But he has got a good capital. So he's selling put, using that money to buy call. And I don't have a good capital. So I just go and simply buy the call. If anybody has done, the market, it has fallen, right? But, if they have done 2-3 days before, then still no issue. But if some people have bought yesterday, then definitely they'll be in loss. So that's why I always say, you want to follow somebody, you must have the equal capability, right? My old followers know this famous story. One day I was going in a motorbike. So in front of me, there was a bus. So the town where I have to go, I do not know the routes, right? But this bus is going to the same town. I thought just by following the bus, I can reach the town. So I was just following the bus. What happened on the road, there was a big pothole. But pothole is so big, but it just fits in between the two tires, two parallel tires of the bus. So the bus went very fast because he has no issue. But I went behind in the middle, I fell into the pothole. So if I want to follow the bus, I must have the same capability as the bus. So now some people started commenting, sir, you are so bullish, but the market did not go up. Yeah, I was bullish, but market did not go up, but I did not lose the money, right? So that's because, I'm not a pure option buyer. So I also use a combination of both buy and sell. So my buy option has not given profit, but my sell option has given profit. Or even if there is a loss in buy option, that has been compensated. Right? There was another trade which I discussed yesterday with no credit, no debit. So they finally, even no matter how much market crashes, I have nothing to lose. Right? So those kind of things. And so anyway, so don't try to follow other people. Right? You want to follow somebody, then now it's a marketing talk. Attend my workshop, learn everything completely, and then you can go and do it. Right? So totally, I would say it's a disappointing market, right? But despite that, market did not fall much because most of the FIIs, might not be present in the market today because it's a Saturday. So what is more important is not today's price action. So what is going to happen Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, next few days? If next few days also FIIs continue to sell, you can assume that, the chapter is closed. Right? Indian market will underperform other markets over a longer period of time. Right? So let us hope sometimes, this FII change their mind, so they come back to India. Right? So until then, so this is going to be a bit difficult. But good thing for option traders, today the volatility index has come down so much, the option premiums, I would say almost crashed both calls and puts. Right? So in fact, yesterday I sold some call option far out of the money, like 28,000 call option in December series. Right? I sold around 300 rupees. And today, Nifty is almost flat only, but the 300 rupees now closed at 240 rupees. I'm talking about 28,000 call. Because 28,000, even the budget is good. I don't think that Nifty is going to go to 28,000. So the volatility index, has subsided. So as of now, it looks like, the volatility index has come down. The market is thinking that market is not going to shoot up significantly. The market is not going to fall significantly. So this is the interpretation. But anyway, we will have to wait for what FIIs are thinking. FII's price action next few days is more important. Other than that, the only big positive in budget is this no tax up to 12 lakh rupees. So because of that, FMCG stocks went up, two-wheeler companies went up, four-wheeler companies, like Maruti, they are like small cars mostly. So those stocks went up. So other than that, it's just more or less flat closing only. So anyway, so Monday we will see. So until then, it is time to enjoy the weekend. Already one day is gone. So we have only one more day for enjoyment. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.